Meet Captain Calcium, a shiny, happy tooth, and his best friend Dr. Molar, the world's quirkiest dentist. Life is great until a stubborn, crusty substance called dental calculus starts moving in. Think of calculus as that uninvited house guest who never leaves and smells like old cheese. Most people think it is just a cosmetic fluke, a little yellow stain that looks a bit meek in selfies. But Dr. Molar knows a dark secret. Beneath that rocky exterior, a microscopic army is preparing for a wild journey through your body. Ignoring it is the first mistake. Now, let us look deeper. When calculus sits on the teeth for too long, it does not just stay put. It starts to irritate the gums, making them red, angry, and super swollen. It is like having a tiny, sharp pebble inside your shoe, but that shoe is your mouth. Captain Calcium is starting to feel the pressure as his gums turn into a puffy, red marshmallow zone. This swelling is actually an open door for trouble. The calculus begins to break into smaller, jagged pieces, looking for an exit strategy. It is getting ready to go where no dental debris should ever go. Here is where the real drama begins. The gums are filled with tiny, delicate blood vessels. Once the gums are swollen and bleeding, they become a highway entrance. Bits of calculus, packed with millions of rowdy bacteria, literally force their way into these blood vessels. Imagine a tiny, rocky pirate ship launching into a red river. Dr. Molar watches through his microscope in disbelief as the calculus pirates start their voyage. They are officially in the bloodstream now, and there is no turning back. Captain Calcium looks on, worried that his house guest just hijacked a boat. Once inside the bloodstream, the calculus does not just sit around. It starts traveling. It flows through the network of veins in your jaw and begins its descent toward the neck. Think of it like a lazy river ride, but instead of a tropical drink, the traveler is a piece of toxic rock. Dr. Molar is sweating now, tracking the movement on a giant map of the human body. The calculus is picking up speed as it moves past the throat area. It is a microscopic hitchhiker with a very dangerous destination in mind. It is heading straight for the body's engine room. Destination reached the heart. The calculus finally enters the heart chambers, but it is not there for a visit. It looks around and finds the perfect place to settle down the heart valves. These valves are like the swinging doors of a busy restaurant, opening and closing to keep blood flowing. The calculus pieces, being sticky and jagged, get snagged right on the edges of these doors. Dr. Molar gasps as he sees the first pirate ship anchor itself to a valve. It is the ultimate mechanical failure waiting to happen. The heart is about to get some very bad news. Now things get really gross. Remember the bacteria living on that calculus. They love their new home. They start to multiply like crazy on the heart valves, creating these slimy, cauliflower-looking clumps called vegetations. It is not the kind of vegetation you want in a salad. These growths make the valves thick, heavy, and unable to close properly. Dr. Molar notes that this condition is called infective endocarditis. Captain Calcium is shaking his head because he tried to warn us. The bacteria are throwing a party, and the heart is the one paying the bill. As these vegetations grow, the heart has to work 10 times harder. The valves are now leaking and blocked. Imagine trying to pump water through a pipe filled with wet cement. That is what the heart is facing. The blood flow becomes turbulent and messy. Dr. Molar explains that if a piece of this vegetation breaks off, it can cause a stroke or a heart attack instantly. It is a ticking time bomb made of dental neglect. Our poor heart character is looking exhausted, panting for breath as it tries to keep the beat going. It is a total system overload. This is the moment where a simple toothache turns into a medical emergency. The blockage leads to a sudden heart attack because the heart muscle can't get the oxygen it needs. All of this happened because a bit of calculus was allowed to stay on a tooth. It sounds like a horror movie, but it is a biological reality. Dr. Molar points out that the mouth is truly the gateway to the rest of your health. Captain Calcium is now wearing a medic's helmet, ready to fight back. We have reached the climax of the story, and the stakes could not be any higher. But don't panic. There is a hero in this story, and it is not a superhero in a cape. It is your dentist. A professional cleaning is the only way to remove that hardened calculus before it starts its journey. Toothbrushes are great, but they can't move a rock that has been cemented to your teeth. Dr. Molar pulls out his trusty ultrasonic scaler, which vibrates the calculus right off. It is like a power wash for your mouth. Captain Calcium is cheering as the crusty pirate ship is blasted into oblivion. Prevention is the ultimate heart medicine. So, what is the moral of our story? Get your teeth professionally cleaned at least once a year. It is a small step that protects your smile and your life. The Dr. Molar and Captain Calcium are back to their happy selves, high-fiving over a healthy heart. Don't let your mouth become a launchpad for bacteria. Schedule that appointment today and keep your heart beating strong. Your body will thank you, and your teeth will keep on shining. Thanks for watching and stay sparkly! If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to support our mission here at Dental Orb, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to appreciate the effort we put into these animations, a simple like goes a long way. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into your oral health. And please share this with someone you care about.